Honourable Member for St. John's South, Mount Pearl.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I guess members of his government didn't get the memo. Perhaps it was redacted. It's too bad this government doesn't enforce its legislation to ensure that we have meaningful access to information. I know Robert Marlowe, who was the former Access to Information Commissioner, thought the 30-day rule had become an exception rather than the rule. And I ask, Mr. Speaker, that we really do need to have leadership in this country to ensure open and effective and transparent government, and I ask that this government do so.
The Honourable Parliamentary Secretary.
Mr. Speaker, leadership she has, and she will get. That's why we introduced the new Accountability Act. Hear, hear. Treasury Board Secretariat responded to 72% of requests within 30 days last year. Wow. And that takes into consideration those 70 new institutions that we added. Now, these delays, however, are still unacceptable, and that is not standard practice. We expect individuals requesting information to receive a response within a reasonable time frame. This government fought for Canadians' right to know how their government operates, and our record is clear. We got rid of the system used by the Liberals to centralize control of access to information. We opened up the Wheat Board, the CBC, and dozens of other institutions to the Access to Information Act. 70 new institutions are now accountable to Canadians through the Access to Information Act. For the first time, Canadians can see how these institutions spend their tax dollars. These are important steps forward towards openness and transparency, steps the Liberals never took, Mr. Speaker. We are committed to running an open and transparent government. Thank you.